Hey guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna be teaching you how can you get milestones even if you don't have much subscribers. So the method that I'm using is TubeBuddy. It's a very famous method of growing in YouTube. So the first thing you need to do is go to Google Chrome and type for tube.buddy and search and go to the first link. After that you'll see a page like this and go to the icon right over here, features, and you can see the mark milestones. Go right there, click that, and you can see search for a channel below. So I'm going to type the channel name. I'm going to search the channel my. So I'm going to type for work with Adi. Okay, so find your one. This is my one, so I'm going to click it. Okay, so as you can see, I have 2 milestones remaining now. I don't have views milestone. I have the most recent subscriber and upload milestone, 10 uploads, 10 subscribers. So I'll type for another YouTube channel. I'm going to type San Ideas. Okay, so this is the channel. So you can see he has the milestones for 210 subscribers, 15,000 views, and 30 uploads milestone. So even you have a YouTube channel, you can type the name of your channel and find your milestones. But the thing is, you need to activate TubeBuddy for your channel. So I'll bring a video on how to activate TubeBuddy to a YouTube channel. So until that, keep subscribed to get the video. And if you like this video, like, and if you think that this video will be important for your friend or someone else, share this video. If you have something to a gameplay video or a tutorial, you are free to comment it in the below comment section. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Goodbye.